All right, dog. Morning. It's Monday. Let's get a little video going, huh? Well, okay. Making progress on everything. We're doing some trim pieces now. Got the carpet just sitting in there. The battery is sitting where it's going to sit. The only problem is we're trying to make it clear, and I don't think it's going to clear with the panels that we're putting in back here. So we're probably going to have to move some more stuff around there. But a little more bleeding on the top. That motor, you can see the air pocket in it right there. It's exactly where it needs to be though if we're going to bleed it. Everything's going on. Working on all the little trim pieces. All these guys, ignition's finally in. Stereo's all wired and plumbed. Everything, all the wires are going all the way back right now that needs to go back. So interior's next to be done. Once we're all done, we're gonna fire this thing up hopefully by the end of the week. But it's been a long time coming, doing all the grill install on this. One thing that does suck about this is we didn't get this car assembled. So we got this car in boxes. I got a bare body, and we're just trying to basically put it all together now. So yeah, it's been a big puzzle, but this whole aftermarket, this whole front end is aftermarket. So making everything fit's been kind of fun. But we're getting there. I think we're gonna fire it by the end of the week. Shit, if Brian's any faster, we might be able to fire it by the end of the day. Okay, well then maybe we'll fire it today. I'm excited because this exhaust under this car, I've got a lot of time into the exhaust under this car. It's all Spintech 6000s. It's all stainless all the way to the back. This car is sitting on 19 in the front and a 20 in the back. So the wheels are, they're a little tight in there. But they look good and everything fits nice. I got about a ½ inch of clearance all the way around on that. So that is all the updates for the convertible. I think, unfortunately, we got to take the front bumper back off to get the grill out, or to get the rest of the grill pieces on. But we're getting there. All right, on to the Ford. So, Ford compression test was fine. Leak down. We had one cylinder that was 16-18%, but it wasn't that bad. So I'm not sure why this thing's got so much blow by. It's a brand new Blueprint 408. So we're really trying to figure out what the hell's going on. It sounds good. It runs good. Looks good. Everything about this thing has been pretty awesome now. It's all King suspension. I've got the driveline at the driveline shop right now. They're gonna put a, what is it, double cardigan U-joint under it?
Yeah.
So once we get the U-joint or the new driveline back, we'll put everything back together and probably just put some kind of a catch can system on it so it doesn't leak oil so bad. But it's puking so bad it's leaking oil all over it's dumping it all over the valve covers and then down over the exhaust, and it smokes. It looks terrible. It's all brand new, so we got to get that figured out. But that's the update on the Ford. All right, Chevy 3100. This is a 51 5-window. Pretty cool truck. We got this thing. It's got a Panza kit, so it's got an S10 chassis under it. And with the S10 chassis, so we're gonna do the power brakes, power steering, all that. But because how low we put the body, we had to cut the whole tunnel out of it, and we actually have to finish cutting the rest out on the second half. So that way the driveline will clear, because with how low this truck is gonna sit. So that's pretty much all we've done on this. Pretty much all we've done. We just swapped the whole body and frame over, not a big deal. Okay, so 20-inch Riddlers. It's got a 3-inch drop block in the rear. But that's pretty much all the updates for that one. Go to the 55. Unfortunately, haven't touched it. Top is still just sitting in there. Well, it's all in it. And I'm not sure, some of you guys haven't seen. I did a whole 2018 Audi SUV panoramic sunroof in this thing. Get some lights going. A little dark. So this is a 55 Chevy 4-door. It's only a 210, Bel Air 210, whatever you want to call it. But I put an 18 SUV sunroof in it, so it takes pretty much the whole roof. But it fits really good. I have not decided on motor and trans yet. I've been kind of torn. I want to do 6-speed in it really bad, but I know that there's a lot of problems with 6-speeds. As soon as you start beating on them, and I tend to beat on things. I'm not sure it's a good idea if I get a 6-speed in this car. Plus I got to put a pedal in it. So, Mopar hood I got to do some work on. And then I just bought this 2013 SS and it got hit in the rear. I pulled a bunch of the damage out. It was caved in pretty bad back here. Obviously if it buckled the quarter panel, it was hit pretty hard. But I bought this and I'm gonna do I think I'm gonna steal the motor. I'm gonna fix it. I can't make up my mind. What do you guys think? 13 SS, it got hit pretty hard, buckled the rear, but I can fix it. I've already fixed a bunch of it. But I'm torn. Because this is a great drivetrain for anything else I want to put together. The car is super clean. The car runs good. It's automatic. But I'm just kind of torn on what I should do. The car's too clean to fucking part out. That's what I feel bad about. This whole this was all buckled in too. I pulled the hell out of it yesterday. Actually, it was Saturday I pulled it, came in here. This panel was all buckled. It's still buckled pretty hard. But that's all the updates.